This Century 21 United property video is presented by David.kitterlin. Excellent huge manufactured home sitting on the largest lot in the subdivision, corner, backyard completely fenced with a double gate entrance, well-built double carport with RV parking with power, huge workshop with electricity, air conditioner and roof 2 years old, floors in den living room and kitchen have been updated, huge covered deck with an in-ground pool and hot tub, great neighborhood, plenty of room, deck covered and carport very well constructed. For more information, review the details below.